everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this worry worm. For this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 3mm. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this tutorial I'm using crochet 4-ply cotton yarn. You will also need a yarn needle. So let's get started. We begin with a magic circle. Now for those of you who do not know how to work a magic circle, I have a video on that as well. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. Now once you have your magic circle, in the circle you need to work 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Once you have your 8 single crochets, you pull the loose end to close the circle, and you need to work a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Now for the next row you chain 2, and in this row we are going to be working half double crochets. So we start with the same stitch. In the same stitch you need to work your first half double crochet. For that you yarn over once, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. That's your half double crochet. Now in the next stitch you need to work 2 half double crochets. That's 1 and 2. In the next stitch 2 half double crochets. 1 and 2. And now you need to continue working 2 half double crochets in each stitch of this row till you reach the end of this row. Once you complete your row, you need to join it with a slip stitch into the first chain 2 that you started this row with, right here. And now you need to work a chain of 30. We start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and continue till you have a chain of 30. After you complete working the chain, you need to start working the next row in the 3rd chain from your hook. So you do not count the one that's on your hook. You count from here 1, 2 and 3. Right into this stitch you need to work 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Now in the next stitch 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. In the next stitch 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And now you need to continue working 3 double crochets in each stitch till you reach right up till here, till you reach the second last chain right here, and in the last one you need to work 1 double crochet. So you need to work 3 double crochets till you reach right up till the second last stitch of your chain. I've completed working the 3 double crochets and I have the last chain here. Right into that I'm going to work 1 double crochet, and now we need to work a slip stitch in the second chain here. Your chain is attached to this stitch, you skip one and in the next one you work a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. Leave a little yarn because we are going to attach it to this thing here. With the yarn needle we are going to make it hold like this. Now with your yarn needle you take the yarn and put it in right here now you can work a knot. And now you can work in your loose ends. Now you can attach the eyes with the glue gun, but I don't have it with me right now, so I'm going to make the eyes with yarn. I'm going to tie it up right here. We completed working the worry worm. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.